well, this is my house. Obviously, it burned down. We had a house fire December 1st. It started in that room over there. It was my formal dining, it was like my office area. I'll give you a quick tour of the house. It's a two-story. This was my son's room. It's our master bedroom. It got so hot in here it melted my treadmill. You can see it got melted a little bit. Melted the blinds. Just a lot of smoke damage in the master bath. Burning the tops of the doors. So I'm making this video because we're going to try to save the farm sink that we built this house, and when we put the sink in, I don't know, it's cast iron enamel coated that I would like to save, and I think I can get it out of there. I might have to get a light. But that's pretty much it. There's the garage over there. So let's set this up and see if I can get this sink. All right, let's try to get this out of here. We hold it on now. There we go. Alright, it's heavy. We'll get it out of there. Look at that. I think it can be refinished. It's Kohler. It's a nice sink. Oh, did I crack it? I did. It's just the enamel that's cracked, but I can try and refinish that. Totally my fault. Well, let's get that out of there and get it to the garage. Kind of show you where it was at in here. It just sat in there. The countertop kind of held it in place, and it was siliconed in. It was heavy. It wasn't going anywhere, and it was never loose. So there it is. Let's set the camera up out in the garage, and I'll attempt to bring it out here. What the fuck? That was a workout. I don't know how much these go for now, but this was expensive when we bought it 10 years ago, so I think it'd be worth it to clean it up,